how to power up this kind of flashlight with a 6-volt battery. You see, it's not gonna fit no way into this flashlight. Well, with this hack, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Well, let's get to it. So you got one of those big flashlights that runs on these 3 big batteries, and let's say they are dead. And what are you gonna do? All you have is one of these batteries and a flashlight, and these batteries are dead. How can you use this to power up this flashlight? Simply, all we have to do is open it, and let's see what's inside of these batteries. Kids, do not try this at home. So if we open it, look what we find. We find these giant batteries inside of it. Now we're gonna take them apart, and all we need is put 2 of them. This is the bottom, this is the top. 2 of them in there, and screw this top on, and let's see if it's gonna turn on. Guess what? And it works perfectly. So you can substitute this battery, just 2 of this instead of 3 of this. And in survival situation, if you need to power up flashlight and you only have 1 of these batteries, you actually have 4 of these batteries, and it only takes 2 batteries for this flashlight. Super. Very cool life hack with a flashlight and a head. Let's check this out. So we got a head right here. Then we're gonna grab a clip binder, put it on the side like that. Simple, huh? And then we're gonna grab our flashlight and stick it right into the binder and a head. Now you got a head flashlight. So that way your hands are gonna be free and you're gonna see everywhere you're gonna look at. Let's test it out. So this is what it's gonna look like. By the way, you can just take off this little thing right here, so it's not in the way. You can just take this two off, and you see flashlight holding. Now I can just put it back on, and look, I got head flashlight, which is really cheap, because this flashlight at couple dollars and the clip binder doesn't worth anything. So let's go test it out. And you know, I don't even feel it. It sits so perfectly right here. It's awesome. Now everywhere I look, you see, when I move my head, the light is moving with me. So if I need to work on something, boom, I have 2 free hands and I don't have to hold my flashlight. Pretty awesome, huh? Right. So all you have is 1 battery, but the flashlight requires 2. How can we make it work? You know, with 1 battery it will not work. Well, all you need is aluminum foil. Pretty easy to find, and I'm gonna show you how to hack it. Let's do it. Alright, so we're gonna get our aluminum foil. Not too much, this would be enough. And just rip it off. That piece right here. And then we need to fold this aluminum foil in this shape. So it's pretty easy. Fold it in half, then another half, then another half. You see, it's almost the same size. You can fold a little bit more, but you don't have to. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so that's the same size right here. And then next step, all we gotta do is roll it up. Roll it up like that. So yeah, and then we got this shape of thing. That will good, it's okay that this one a little bit thicker, it's all good. Then we're gonna get our flashlight, unscrew it, and then drop aluminum foil first. Drop it in there. You see how it is in there? And then drop the battery in there. And then screw the flashlight back on. As you can see, it works. Just with 1 battery. So yeah, as you can see, it works. Pretty cool stuff. Just 1 battery and aluminum foil. It's a very powerful flashlight. It's not a toy, because it's so bright that it can set paper on fire. Let's check this out. So there is one button right here, turn this on, and another one right here to change the power of the flashlight. As you can see, I'm gonna set it on brightest. Now I'm gonna grab a piece of paper and look, I'm gonna set a flashlight right on it and instantly starting smoking. You see that? And boom, it's on fire. Pretty incredible flashlight fire starter. The light bulb is so powerful you do not want to touch this side. Of course this thing is not for kids because they can make themselves blind, but there is a really good safety, so if kids even find the flashlight, they don't know how to turn it on. I'm not going to reveal it how to, but let's see what will happen with the newspaper. Look, instantly. Isn't it insane? Try this again. Look, I got a piece of newspaper right here, and then I'm gonna boom, and it sets on fire. Pretty incredible, huh? Try this again. Look at the newspaper. Boom, set on fire instantly. So this is what the company of this flashlight, Wicked Lasers, flash torch. Pretty insane. As you can see, you have bunch of warnings. I love that flashlight, it's amazing. Couple of batteries, little light bulb, staples, couple of staples, and duct tape. So today I'm gonna make a flashlight out of these things. So the first thing you wanna do, get two batteries and tape them up together. Make sure they connecting to each other. As you can see, it looks like one solid piece. So it's gonna look like that. It's connected to each other. Then we need two of the staples. We wanna break them apart. Oh snap, it broke, but it's okay. Hopefully it will be enough. You see, sometimes in a zombie apocalypse you're gonna find some old stuff which fall apart. So we got one and we got two. Make it like a small wire, and then we need to intertwine them together right here like that, and put a layer of tape so they will not fall apart. Alright, we got our staples together like that. Then you wanna hook up light bulb like that, and this is like support so the light bulb will not fall out. And then in the bottom we're gonna do it like that and get our thing and like see how far it's gonna go here, and then pretty much fold it right here. And as you can see, it works. And let's go check out in the dark. As you can see, it works pretty good in the dark. Here is a door, you know, you can look at it from far away. Spinning it. How cool is that?